Hi. So I wanted to talk about decisions and how do we make challenging decisions? Like, how do we figure out what to do in any given situation? And sometimes it can be hard to make a decision. Sometimes we don't really know what to do. And I wanted to put out there that I think we actually really do know what to do. I think it's very clear to us what to do. I think what really hangs us up whenever we have a decision to make is that we are not sure how it's going to affect other people because other people are unpredictable. Situations are unpredictable. How is it going to influence the world around me? How is it going to influence the people around me? How are other people going to perceive me? How are other people going to perceive my decision? And I think that that's really what stops us more than anything else, more than the actual decision we have to make. Because inside it goes back to that internal guidance system, which is a clear yes or no, If you're trying to choose between one thing, a couple of options, should I do this or should I do that? Should I do this or that? Feel it. Take each decision on in your entire system. Feel the energy of that. And the one that feels relief, the one of them will make you feel more uncomfortable. One of them will make you feel a little bit more tight and bound in your system. And the other one will give you a sense of relief. So whichever decision gives you the sense of relief, whichever one feels lighter, that is the decision to always go with. The decision that makes you feel lighter, because at the end of the day, you are going to have to be the one who sleeps at night, and you're going to have to be the one that deals with the consequences of whatever decisions you make in life. And so if you're doing something inside your own system that you feel to be right, and you feel aligned with that decision lifts a weight off of your shoulders, then that's the right decision to make. Because you're never going to ever in life be able to please everybody. You're just not going to be able to please everybody. And any decision that you make is going to potentially be filtered back to you with somebody's opinion. They might not like it. I had a teacher once say, you can be the sweetest, juiciest, prettiest Georgia peach in Georgia, and somebody is not going to like peaches. It's just a fact of life. We're not going to always be able to please everybody. And so when making decisions, we have to make decisions that really align with us, that feel the best to us, that if faced between two things, pick the one that feels the lightest, that you receive the most relief from. And that's how I would say that we make aligned decisions when we are in tough situations and don't really know what to do. And then I would say, ultimately, it doesn't matter what other people think about you. It really doesn't. Ultimately, it doesn't matter because you're not going to be able to please everybody. You have to be able to sit with yourself at the end of the day. And people are going to like you. People are not going to like you. People are going to like what you do. People are not going to like what you do. You can try your entire life to do things to make it so that you please everybody around you, and you're always doing what's right, and you're always trying to please everybody and make sure everybody's taken care of around you, and you still will not be able to accomplish that. So do in your heart what you feel is right. Do what you feel makes you feel lighter, and let everything sort itself out the way it's going to. Let the chips fall where they may. And that's how I make decisions. Okay.